infrared night vision, 200-to-1 zoom. I gotta hand it to you, Gretch. You can see the whole school with this thing.
Oh, you can make lots of handy devices out of the spare parts in a family's garage. Why, I once fashioned a particle accelerator out of a broken hairdryer and a 4-slice toaster oven.
Tonight, the magical moment arrived. We met behind the drive-thru menu and kissed passionately as the sound of the deep fat fryer faded into the night. Man, I wish I had an older sister.
Laugh if you will. I think it's beautiful.
Sorry I'm late, guys, but I had to wait till my mom and dad fell asleep before I could sneak out with the goodies.
Roast beef and mashed potatoes, my favorite.
I also managed to swipe this.
Rocky Road, my other favorite.
Hey, give me some of that.
Excuse me, but aren't we supposed to eat dinner before dessert?
Hey, yo, we got company.
Let's nail these numbskulls.
A stranger is just somebody